Day Sai Kids.
10 lines essay about owl. Owl is a bird which lives on big trees. It rests during the daytime and stays away at night to hunt its prey. Its eyes are round and large, which has the ability to see like binoculars. It rotates its neck around 270 degrees and it has a good hearing sense. It is a carnivorous bird which eats fish, insects, small mammals, and etc. It lays 3 to 4 eggs, which are white in color and round in shape. It flies very slowly and makes low noises. There are about 200 different species of owls. Nowadays, the number of owls has reduced a lot. The average lifespan of owl is around 20 years. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.